down, settle down. All right, guys, we're on the board. Out here on the kayak. Short little adventure today. I'm only really going to fish 1 or 2 spots, but I had a feeling this one might have a few fish on it. Looks like it did. Got a little bass here on a Texas rig Senko, of course, because they love that bait here. Sit still, bud. Oh, he's tangled up now. There we go. Right in the side of the mouth. The weather here has cooled off just a little bit. It's kind of in the 70s right now. It's going to get about 80, which is a lot better than the 100-degree days we've been having here. Fish seem to like it. Little bass. Let this guy go. All right, guys. About to be back at it here in a second. Shoot a little intro here. Kayak Chronicles. Another little adventure for you guys. I'm fishing the Texas rig Senko. Got my Shimano Conquest on my G Loomis E6X. What is this? 7-foot heavy action rod. I usually don't take this one out on a kayak, actually, just because it's my most expensive reel. I usually go with my Corrado Eye. That is, I have kind of like a jig and worm setup. I already had some other stuff tied on it, and I was kind of in a hurry this morning, so I actually just grabbed this one. We'll hope I don't drop it in the water. Anyway, we're going to see if we can catch some more of these fish. Oh, we've got a big one. Got a big one. Oh my God, he came off. You have got to be kidding me. The Senko's gone. Guys, that was tough right there, man. That was tough. That was a huge fish. Should have set the hook harder on him, I don't know. Part of fishing. Back off, maybe I can get him to bite again. How on earth is he not hooked? Dang, man. Oh, come on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Jeez. Got him. Wow. Probably splashed the camera too. That was crazy. All right, guys. Got back on the spot and he bit again. I'm feeling pretty good right now because if I didn't catch this fish, I was going to be really upset. Caught him right off the fishing trail marker here. I think that's number 3. I hooked this fish a minute ago and he was going nuts. I mean, he took off with my bait. I'm thinking he's hooked good and he pulled right off. And I got back on the spot and casted kind of over the same area, and sure enough, he bit again and was going crazy. That's a healthy fish right there. He's long. Look how long that fish is. Yep, right off number 3. Might just snap a quick photo of this guy. Wow, that was crazy. This fish was fighting super hard, and that's exactly what it was the first time around. I'm pretty certain that this was the same fish. I'm gonna make a few more casts here in case it wasn't, though. I'll tell you that. Maybe he's got some friends down there. I don't know. All right, guys, let's let this fish go. Healthy, healthy fish. God, he's even feisty when I let him go. Wow. That's why we do it right there. I am actually amazed that that fish bit again. The first time he was fighting real hard, he pulled the Senko off, so I don't know if he ever had the hook or what was going on with that. But literally my next cast, very next cast, he bit again, and that fish was mean. That fish was aggressive. If he had gotten off, I would have thought he was bigger than that. He was still a very nice fish. I mean, that's a good sized fish, but man, that fish was just going crazy. All right, guys, about to wrap up the trip here, head back in. Like I said, kind of a shorter trip today, middle of summer. I just do not stay out that long, especially when it's just, you know, really sunny like this. A cloudy day, yeah, I'll stay an extra hour or two, but I'm gonna head back in. Pretty good trip today. Getting that bigger fish to bite twice, that was no doubt the highlight of it. I could have easily missed that fish and never had another chance at him, but that fish was just super aggressive, and I was impressed that he not only bit a second time but was just fighting really hard like that. So that was pretty cool. I'll take it. Hope you guys have some luck if you're out there. Sometimes the summer can be difficult. Give some of this stuff a try. The old trusty Senko, as it usually does on this lake, it came through. Give it a try at your lake and go catch you some fish.